So how y'all doing today? I just received my blower, my Echo pb-770HT. So that the H stands for hip and the T stands for tube. So I just recently purchased this and I was getting ready to assemble it. So I was like, you know, maybe I can do a video to help someone out. So it comes with the manual. I've been reading it here. It comes with the manual for Spanish and for English. So let's get right into it. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna set my camera down so I can actually use both of my hands. Okay, so you guys are gonna be able to see me. So basically, here is the motor. It's pretty. I'm not sure if you can see. It's pretty decent. It got good padded shoulder straps for the backpack. Real good ones. Got the Eco on both of them. This good padded thing here for, you know, good for your back. You don't want to be so hard on your back. This is your throttle. So this right here is going to have to go around one of these pipes. So here's your filter. Here's your filter right here. So you basically just take that off. Now mine is brand new, so I don't have to pretty much clean it. But you definitely just get your screwdriver, or maybe you can use your hands. You stick this in here and twist it and come off, and you clean your filter, stick it back on. So here's your fuse. If you ever have problems with your spark plug, that's what I meant to say. Spark plug. You can find those at Home Depot as well. I seen some when I was there. So definitely, here's how you start it, and this is where you put your gasoline. And I'll do another video here shortly, showing you exactly what gasoline I bought and how to install it. You can either buy, you know, the gas and oil mixed together, or you can just buy the gas separate and mix it yourself. Buy your can of oil, mix it yourself. I bought this from Home Depot for like, I bought some. Mine's is mixed with oil and gas. I think I spent maybe $10 for a good one, big nice can. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is called a flexible pipe. So this is what's going to go here. That's going to connect to the big part here. It's going to connect here. So it comes with a wire that you stick through it. It's kind of like a ground. Keeps like the shocks and stuff from, you know, coming through and I guess shocking you or whatever. It comes with two clamps. You're going to have to clamp one here and one here. So let's get it together. So okay, first I'm going to take these two. So what you do is, this is the part that's going to go here. This part, see, it's going to go on the flexible. So to get everything started, you see these little grooves here? You're going to line them up with this little thing here, stick them in. And you just gotta kind of like find the grooves and twist it. Okay, so that's locked in. We're gonna do the same thing with this, repeat the same process. So so it's all locked in now. Everything is locked in. So I'm going to connect this. First I'm going to put my clamp on here. We got two different clamps. So one has a little black deal on it, and the other one is just a regular old clamp. Okay, so this is the part that goes. So it's basically one side, the longer end belongs. It's a shorter end and a longer end. I'm not sure if you can tell the difference, but it's this end, the longer end goes next to here. Okay, so I'm gonna get a stick of clamp on first, just to make sure that this is my first time doing it as well, fellas. So I mean, ladies and gentlemen. So I know some ladies that do this same thing. So I'm not gonna single anybody out. Hold on, let's set it. Let me get my drill out of my car. Just gonna take this here. You can use a screwdriver or a drill if you don't have a drill. This is a flat. Let's see if I have a screwdriver here. So I'm probably gonna end up using a screwdriver as well. I don't want to strip it. I want to have a cool one. Okay. So basically, I'm gonna stick it right here close to the end so I can grip it. So I'm just gonna tighten it up. With these clamps, you just stick it around it here, and you just kind of just twist it until it gets super tight. Okay. You don't have to do it till it click like I did. With extra strength. So okay. So I'm going to stick this wire here through. I'm just going to stick it through. Take this clamp on first. I'm gonna myself some. Okay, stick this back in. Okay. I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but I'll give you guys a better view. Just got it on as close as possible. So like I said, I'm gonna tighten this one as well. Okay. So the wires inside, everything is pretty much connected. Let's see. Wow. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is